What is BrainAtom? BrainAtom is an AI made up of 3 products to help people, especially software engineer, to have high efficient ways to do coding and explore new tech. The individual search engine could give you unique, fast way to precisely locate the answer you want. The general-purpose autonomous learning robot could help people to learn almost any information in the world. You could quickly use it to learn a new programming language. Personal Data Center is an information platform where you could easily manage your information, share or trade it with others. You may have a task one day and get some idea how to handle it, but the solution needs you do some programming which is completely new for you. The clock is ticking and there is no time to start. Now you find us. Download the app from Play Store or our website. Now you are only 3 steps away from becoming an expert in the new tech. First, find a classic file of your interest and upload it to phone. Then select that file in the robot, that is X-Men. Lastly, tell the robot what the parent class for your target. That is all. You could now do any other things you want. The work for our robot begins. Server will be activated. Your request will be transferred to central processing robot for comprehensive analyzing. Hundreds of modules in natural language processing will be running out there to find the correct classification. Every paragraph, sentence, word will be identified, analyzed and classified based on context. While you are in rest, the AI is running with different kinds of calculation to derive key elements. Finally, you get a knowledge tree containing accurately classified parts in the file. Each word in the tree represents a class with all subordinate sections belonging to that class. Now you could use it in your task. Open the search engine, just put the keywords related to your topic like you usually do. Get instant tip if you need some clue. All the results will be presented to you based on full context and matching degree to your keywords. With our robot, there is no need to go through long paragraph. So you could code on the fly. The change in your efficiency makes the task become a piece of cake. So your team will have a much higher probability to win. While you are taking a nap, or spending time with family or friends, our robot will never stop building a flourishing information foundation for you. It connects all sorts of relevant information, classify it, group it, and weave it into a giant graph. More information you have, more capable you are. You can have different skills and set up endless ways for your life and work. You could save years of hard work in studying existing information and use the time to create new products for people around the world. We hope you become an X-Man, and have a big win in life by unlocking the potentials embedded in your mind. This is BrainAtom, the first general-purpose AI in the world.